London derby, a big one as well. Arsenal take on Chelsea. Watch for us by Gary Neville.
All four of the holiday games. And as pretty much always here at the Emirates, conditions now. Here's Morata for Hazard. Could hit it from there. 2 ago as well.
Bellerin not quite getting goal side of Hazard.
Oh, Morata's away here. Czech decided not to come, and Alvaro Morata is in and has placed it.
So whilst the ball gets played and loses complete concentration, and it's all about Morata, whether he can finish.
Well wide.
Oh, what a chance.
Christensen can't clear it. And both goes out from Sanchez. Ozil, Lacazette turn and hit. Another good reach by Courtois.
Position whereby he needs to be picked up. You can't allow him to have that space.
Him with a chance of opening the scoring before the half-time whistle goes. With Fabregas, but he doesn't take that.
He's absolutely brilliant. So difficult for the Arsenal back three to get anywhere near him, and he just leaves it free.
Well, at both ends. Alonso, and again.
Wider. Good header from Alonso. Just not enough power on it, gives Czech time to Hazard. Wondered whether he would just straighten Callum Chambers up, but he decides to take it early. Czech.
Wilshere, nicely into Ozil's feet. To Lacazette from Sanchez, and again.
Wilshere! Oh, he scored! Jack Wilshere for Arsenal. His first Premier League goal of the season. Give that man a contract. Arsenal 1, Chelsea 0. We have the breakthrough at last. Still Hazard. Bellerin did well. Hazard with the cross. Was he fouled? Penalty. Anthony Taylor says penalty. Delight in the corner amongst the Chelsea fans. And again, he didn't have a great deal of hesitation about that, Anthony Taylor. More penalty woe for Arsene Wenger potentially here.
Well, if you're going to stick your foot in and you say it's a foul outside the box, do you?
Arsenal is faced 13. Hazard scores. Czech went to his left, Hazard to his right, and we're level. Arsenal were rampant for 10 minutes. They took the lead, and they've now been pegged back. And Arsene Wenger is pacing around the technical area, arms folded, looking rather angry. Here's the
Chelsea in front. They've come from behind, and it's Spaniard who's done it, which has been their Premier League goal scoring this season.
Well, it's wing back to wing back. It's a wonderful pass from Willian. I said earlier, he's been brilliant, Maitland-Niles, but can you test him? He's not a left back, and Zappacosta does. Just gets a yard on him and smashes it across at the near post. Arsenal centre-backs are static, and Alonso's on the move and makes that run, that crucial run across the near post. It's a wonderful contact from him with his right foot. I have to say, it's not easy. It's a really good side foot pass, Petr Cech. It's the pace that beats the goalkeeper. Mustafi flat-footed on it.
Still 2 minutes to go.
Well, you can't say they haven't deserved it. Chelsea did drop off. They invited the pressure. Keep it alive, Arsenal. The challenge is there. Alonso can't clear his lines. Then you're just asking the question on a very difficult half volley whether Bellerin can keep his composure. Can he control it? He does. And it's past Cahill, past Courtois. Brilliant, brilliant finish from Bellerin.
Executed today. Oh, and Drinkwater was not expecting it.